As you can see now, it is finished blending. So I now begin the process of separating the trash from the liquid. So now we could manage with a bigger sieve or strainer, but that's okay. You can bring this closer so you can see the beautiful color. This is the carrot and thing, you see. Now you can now see I'm extracting. Yeah. Wow, it's rich and nice. I can also continue to pour more water in this in order for me to get all the juice from this, but I rather to do it this way. As you can see, there's still the juice coming out. And if you taste it, it is very sweet because both the beetroot and the carrot are sweet, or it has its own sugar. It has its own sugar. So I do just a bit of sugar was placed in it, and it's sweet. So here I'm finished with this. So let us look at the finished product. Here I'll be pouring this into the container. Wow, look at that. This is so rich and nice. Woo. Look at it. And then I will know. Look at that. So there we go with a carrot or a beetroot and a ginger. What better drink to have at this time when you have the cold and flu season going on? Okay, no more sniffle, no more coughing, no more sneezing. This is good for that. Okay.